Best vacuum cleaners in Canada as of spring 2026, under $550. I really wanted to do under $500, but inflation, what are you gonna do? One way that I thought we could make this worth your while is to cover all the different brands that we carry. So in the Miele lineup, and there is about 20 vacuum cleaners here, the best vacuum cleaner under $550 goes to the Miele Guard M1 vacuum. This is the successor to the old C3 models, which was one of the most successful models for Miele vacuums in the last 20 years, for good reason. It's a lightweight vacuum, which is very powerful, has a very long cord, gets suction settings, accessories on board. It is a bagged machine, so it has really good filtration, very powerful. Comes with one floor head, which is what we call a combination floor head. Has a pedal where it allows you to switch between bare floors and low pile rugs and carpets. It is a German-made vacuum, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. The trick is this: depending on when you're seeing this video, it may not be on sale. It periodically goes on sale, and it goes down to $449, which is an absolute steal of a deal. In the Miele lineup, again, the bagless model that is the best value under $550 is the Boost CX1. Now, this is a compact bagless model, if that's what you're into. It gets the same motor, same suction, same accessories as the M1, except it's bagless. It also even gets the same floor head, so there's no difference in the application. This vacuum also is best for a lot of bare floors and low to medium pile rugs and carpets. However, because this is a bagless model, it may be more suitable for people who have pet hair, as long as that pet hair is not on the carpets. It's mostly on bare floors because it doesn't get a carpet pool at this price range. So the Boost CX1 bagless. Now, next, we leave the Germans for the British right here. And this is the Henry HVR 160. You'll know it's a Henry because it has a face and it has a name. It's a 12-pound, very quiet, powerful vacuum. It actually gets the same type of floor head as the other guys do. Anything in this price range really does get just that one combination floor tool that allows you, again, to do bare floors and rugs. Now, this one has a much larger dust capacity. It's a 6-liter dust capacity. It has a 20-foot cord. So it's really meant for residential applications. The reason I say that is because Henry vacuums, typically here in Canada, have done tremendously in the commercial sector. And they did so well there that they introduced a smaller, more compact version that's easier to deal with in a home setting. So the HVR 160, which is the Henry 160, or you could get Henry's sister, which is Hetty 160. Same price, same specs, it's just Hetty is pink, Henry is red. The only vacuum in this category that gets a 10-year warranty is another German contender from Sebo. Now, Sebo has been around for a very long time, and they make phenomenal machines, and again, a 10-year warranty. The model here that you should consider for that price range, I think it's actually right at the top of that one, that 550, is called the Sebo E series, and it's specifically this Airbelt E1. Why do they call it Airbelt? Sebos have this belt all around. It's an actual cushion, foam cushion, which protects your furniture and baseboards if and when you hit the vacuum against anything. It also protects the vacuum from getting scuffed up. Very powerful motor, suction settings pretty standard, gets the same type of a tool, it's just a little fancier, as how it switches between bare floors and carpets, but it is a combi tool. Same scenario, same idea as the other machines here. In the cordless stick vacuums, the award for the best vacuum under 550 goes to the Riccar R65. This thing has been around for a while. It's tried, it's tested. So much to be had here for that price range. You get not only a stand, you get all the accessories you could possibly want that are included, but more importantly, you get a very lightweight vacuum cleaner that is very easy to use, very easy to dispose of the dirt. Has great battery life. I think this thing goes up to 50 minutes. It actually gets the whole house done for most people, and it's just really, really easy to work with. No, it doesn't have lasers and it doesn't connect to Wi-Fi, but it's not meant to. This vacuum in this configuration has been around for, again, maybe 10 years now. They've just kept upgrading the battery. This works. It's tried and it's tested, and it's just really, really, really good value when you consider that you get really unknown brands and unknown quality for pretty much the same price on an Amazon website. So the Riccar R65 takes the cake for a cordless model. If I missed anything, if you don't agree with this lineup, if you need to get in touch with us, description below has our contact details. Vacuumwarehouse.ca is the best place to find us. And please reach out. We are here and happy to help.